na yung parents natin, they sacrifice part of their lives para mabigyan tayo ng good life, good education, and yeah, that's making me think as well to give back to my parents. Actually, even my in-laws, the parents ng wife ko. So hopefully, na we also give back to them. Actually, that yung na-share mo na yan, that how can I say, that inspires me as well to also give back to my parents more. Although I think nakapag, how can I say it, like give back din naman ako, kami, no, sa parents namin. But with the things that you said, I feel like you're very passionate in, like giving back to your parents. Kaya that's a good thing, and that's parang, how can I say it, parang na-inspire ako doon sa mga nasabi mo.
Pero ano din naman, I understand, sorry to cut you ha, pero I understand naman na parang, kaya siguro for me, I'm very passionate in giving back to my parents. It's because I am still single. Like, I don't have a family yet, and it's just me,
Oh yeah.
Or I don't have a kid yet, So, I'm not saying that hindi ka pwede mag-provide if you have a family or if you have a partner already. It's more of like, siguro talaga, that's my perspective. I always wanted to give back to my parents because I've seen them work hard and their sacrifices for us to have a good life. And it's my choice. I'm very, very grateful just to give back. But then I also understand that there are different circumstances for everyone. It may not apply to other people, yung may mga family niya, kasi syempre, pa-prioritize nila yung family nila muna. Pero, in the end of the day, it's still also good to like give back in the most little ways. Our parents would appreciate that. Kasi, again, we're all visitors in this earth. We never know kung kailan tayo mawawala. That's my mentality. Mapabata ka man, mapapatanda, kung time mo na. So, if you can, you just give, Wag mong palipasin yung moment kasi pag lumipas na yung moment, you never know. You will just regret. Diba? Would you want to like have that regret in your head for the whole life? Na parang dapat pala ginawa ko to, dapat pala ganito yung ginawa ko habang ganito pa. Alam mo yun? So, if you can within that moment, don't take it for granted. I feel like kasi right now, nowadays, ang daming nang nagtitake for granted eh. Like, time, they think na parang they have so much time, but they don't understand that time is very valuable. Yun.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, the things that you're saying now, I'm planning na baka ito yung i-content ko, yung kakasabi mo lang na very good. Very siya. Think very,
I hope it's
I'm
enlightening.
running out of adjectives, pero yeah. Maganda yung na-share mo na we're all visitors on this earth.
Yeah.
That's parang very striking yung words, no? Very simple but striking.